Guys, welcome back to my channel and page. I greet you according to your time and according to the time you are seeing this video. My people, come and see wetin dey happen o. Come and see two baba wey they don't turn to handbag. This time around no be handbag of a thing o. Two baba don't move to another room. Inside the way something dey happen. According to wetin we dey hear, people hear that allegedly, don't forget that I was not the one that was there, and this is not first-hand information. We heard that two baba introduce Annie into taking that mkpụrụ mmiri by mkpụrụ mmiri way na Iwatago. So two baba introduced Annie, and that thing begin to disturb Annie well to the extent that she was referred to rehabilitation center. As if that was not enough, two baba never even admit that he was the one that introduced Annie. We know that whenever Annie gets upset, maybe when two baba would just upset her, she wants to calm down her nerves. She thought that thing was going to help her, and she will start taking it. Before you know it, she became addicted to it. She became addicted to it to the extent that Annie was rushed to the rehabilitation center when the thing became too bad on her. And that time she was sick. I don't know that mkpụrụ is also part of the thing that made them want to cut off her leg. So that is Annie's own case. Now that Natasha is in the life of Two-Face, we're going to hear the same story that Two-Face also introduced Natasha into taking that same stuff. And you people know that whenever you see Annie sometimes, Annie used to change it. Not Annie, Natasha used to change like chameleon. I don't know whether you have noticed it. As you see her in this picture now, she will just look beautiful. The next time you will see her, she will just look somehow. And that is why somebody came online was like, this girl used to change you. Have anybody noticed it? I noticed it too. And her mother and her family was like, is what two baba introduced her into doing. That is why she's changing. And my question is this: that time that Annie was taking it, was Annie changing? No. Anyway, the thing is not good for anybody at all. Even two baba is taking it, you just the way two baba is reasoning now, is it the way a normal human being is supposed to reason? Which kind of human being God go carry honey put for mouth? Person go just spit it out and carry bitter leaf and put for mouth. That one apart. I'm not saying that anybody is bitter leaf, but I know what I'm saying. So my people, now wetin dey happen be say Natasha mother called two baba, and two baba thought that the thing was serious, like as in-law now, maybe to discuss something important, and they started talking about this stuff that they were taking, how bad the thing is to their body, how they should stop it and all of that. And she would just know that she would just nod now. She would just say, okay, no problem, we're going to stop it, this and that. But that can never happen. Two people cannot stop that thing at all. So my people, after that call, after the obedient call, because he was obedient, he answered. The mother was like, okay, they're going to stop it. That one apart. Don't forget that Natasha was sacked from minority leader in the house, because every day he will come with two baba, as if she's the only one that got married to a singer. Hey, my people. And she was sacked from a minority leader. I be waiting. So my people, the thing wetin dey happen now be say, as mama Natasha called Two-Face and told them that they should stop taking that stuff, that thing is disturbing her daughter. If you watch Annie used to change like a chameleon. She used to change. Even sometimes if she's walking, she'll be walking one side. That day that she did party with two baba, that two baba proposed to her. I don't know whether you watched that video. She was walking somehow, because she's very much high. That thing used to disturb them. And two baba promised that they are going to stop it and continue with that without stopping it. So right now, what we going to hear be say, Natasha mother got two baba and then Natasha arrested. Hey. It's not only two baba. He got them arrested. Guess what, my people? Make una just guess. Oh my God. She got them arrested and they send them to rehabilitation center, that they should go for rehab, that they need to correct their brain, because they are no longer reasoning very well. And I was like, which kind thing be this one? This woman is so mean. Oh. The woman was like, no, that this her daughter behavior this time around is no longer the way the daughter she used to know. That her Natasha is no longer the Natasha she used to know. And again, two Baba cannot leave Natasha. You know that there was a time we heard that they sent a warning message to two Baba, telling two Baba that you cannot leave Natasha. Oh. You have introduced her into taking mkpụrụ mmiri. She's not going to leave you. You're not going to leave her. You people will be there. So whatever you think you are planning, I think that was when Annie came back and the two Baba wanted to go and see Annie. I think that was when they said they sent the message. Allegedly, don't forget I was not there. So the woman want the two of them to get well, as in to correct their brain, so that uh, Natasha would reason like a woman that she's supposed to reason like. Then two Baba will now reason also like a man, and they will make husband and wife. Because I don't know the kind of blood that the kind of pikin they are going to give birth to if they continue in that kind of way. Smoke, I smoke, take the as in high high. So the woman was like, I don't think Mama Natasha is doing the wrong thing, no. For arresting them and sending them to rehab. I think she's doing a good job. Because there is no way you will allow your daughter or your son to get married to a woman that is always high. If she's not high, she will not be comfortable. If the man is not high, the man will not be comfortable. You see? That is what I heard. Oh. And I was like, Mama Natasha, you are mean, no. So two Baba was so embarrassed seeing what this woman did. Like, who does that? But if you see this kind woman wey do this kind thing now, correct mama na this kind mama wey be the one wey go even do what you are not even expecting just to help you. Just imagine arresting the two of them. Oh. It's not as if she got two Baba arrested or got Natasha, the two of them, and send them to rehab. And you know that she's going to pay for that. And you know this Ebuni Dion family, they get money. And I think that money is the reason why two Baba went there, abandoning Natasha, Annie. Now what is happening? Anyway, we just did they watch the two of them. And two Baba don't turn to handbag. Don't be only just handbag. Two Baba is now in rehab. Hey, my people, rehab. Oh. Our legend in rehab. You will go look for chain. You go look for chain. Anyway, Sha, let me not make this video to be too long, but I just want to share with you what I heard that Mama Natasha got these two arrested and they send them to rehab so that whether their brain go just cool small. At least if they stay there for 1 week, you know that is not going to be possible now. Two Baba will want to come out immediately, sharp, sharp. You see. Anyway, guys, that is the gist. So please don't forget that they are alleged information. Okay? If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do what to subscribe and share this video. Give it a thumbs up. Love you guys. Bye.